Hey legends, so we're here at Barrett Creek. We pulled into Broome however long ago. We had a friend pick up our internet for us.
Finally,
when we say internet, Starlink.
We ordered it months ago.
Months ago.
So.
But we're going to do the unboxing of it. Well, no, I'm not, and we're not getting paid for this, by the way.
At all. We just want to share it because a lot of you had said that they're really intrigued about Starlink. It's something that's quite new.
So Elon Musk, that's his internet. Wherever you are in Australia, you will get like super fast internet.
Apparently. So we're gonna open unbox it. And Peter,
by the way, I was a bit like, holy hell, this box is massive. Plus it weighs 9 kilos.
Which is a lot for us in terms of weight.
9 kilos, that's a fair bit of weight. But let's see, do you want to open it?
Yeah, sure.
Give it a bit of an open. It folds out from here.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
whoa.
Look. It's got a top cover on it.
Whoa.
Oh, I got this upside down.
That looks like Darth Vader.
Oh, there we go. Oh my God.
Wow.
So, I thought this was going to be a lot smaller. Turns out this is...
we knew it was going to be big.
I didn't think it was going to be this.
Look,
it's a bloody satellite dish.
It's got to connect with the satellites.
You can cook 12 dozen eggs on that.
Wow. Hang on, where are we going to put this?
I'm just going to sit it down on the ground.
This stuff's going to blow away.
It's okay. So there, oh my God.
Whoa.
Elon. What have you gone and done? Look at this. Look at this. So, yeah, oh my golly gosh, we've got 12 meters of cable. All right, lower that down, Max. Let's throw that in.
Don't get sand in it though.
That's all right. Oh. What is this?
Babe, all this is going to fly away. We need to be careful.
Where's that go? And you need 240 for it. Oh, will make sense. I guess it has to run, but still. An RV internet that runs on. Oh, look, so that's waterproof. What's that down in there? Does that mean we can run it towards that?
Anyways.
Is that everything?
This ain't cheap, so...
It's not cheap, so Max, go through the prices.
So we spent, so long ago, we spent over $1,000 just with this package here. It was around $1,000, wasn't it? That we spent on this package just here. I'm just trying to
so it's $1,200. It's the Starlink RV.
But that's not everything. Then you've got like you've got a monthly fee. So similar to like your phone bill or your phone at home internet, whatever. Because the goal is, I guess, or the idea behind this is that this would eventually replace your packages that you have with like your phone and your home. So if this works really well for us, that's exactly what we will do, because we don't be forking out like too much money. So
all right, that's, I have no idea what that is.
Anyways, also the other thing is, we're currently on the West Coast. We've been told that in terms of fast speed, very reliable internet, it's majority of Australia, but like predominantly East Coast areas. But the West Coast,
no, it's not west. It's the northern part of Australia.
The northern part.
Not West Coast as such.
The northern part. Anyways, it's not all over Australia. Well, it's not. I don't know.
Anyway, we're just going to see.
We're just rambling because we actually don't know a lot about this. But now that we're doing travel 24/7, we want to be able to have fast internet because we travel remote. And that's the idea with all of the satellites.
Yeah, like if we're in the middle of like the Simpson Desert, well then we can set this up and we've got faster internet than what we had at home. If we're in the middle of Africa, we're in the middle of Mongolia or Kazakhstan, we can set this up and we've got the fastest internet that you can get. Oh, whoa. What's it doing?
Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Did you just hook that up?
Oh my God, what's it doing?
Woo!
No, it's finding the internet. I'm gonna put this out here, I think. All right, that was moving. Is that where the satellite is?
I don't know. We need that we need that app that shows all the satellites.
No, it comes with an app.
Does it?
Where's my phone?
I don't know. Look, this is us. Like, we're not really that prepared in terms of life. We have all these grand ideas. This is one of our grand ideas that we're hoping works.
So on the back of this, it tells us what to do. So you get a Starlink app. We just downloaded it. Luckily we had something. And then on the back of whatever this is, plug it in, don't touch it, get it, start up, set up.
Plug it in, don't touch it.
I have a location. Plug in your Starlink, next. Join network, open Wi-Fi. Unable to join.
Why?
We're on. Create network, enter Wi-Fi network name.
Carsten and Max, or K&M.
Carsten and Maxine.
Oh,
Enter Wi-Fi password.
Oh, no.
Oh, look at the view. We're on.
So, like maybe test,
No.
like
So
go
that's
on to
it?
do the speed test.
So, okay, no. Configure, so it's booting. Your Starlink is booting up. This may take a few minutes. So guys, it is big, isn't it? Like, but
well,
maybe...
for us, that's massive. But I mean, we're aiming to get out weekly YouTubes. So for us with remote travel, it was making it really difficult. So we weren't able to actually do what we wanted to do. So we're hoping that this solves our issues. So...
And remember, we are quite far west, so we're up in Broome. So we're about to let you know if, at this point in time, in, what's the date? August 2022, does Starlink work in the northern part of Australia? We're about to let you know. So the setup is complete, you're all set. It should start doing something. Online.
No signal received.
Oh God, am I flying?
Where's Zooey Zoo? She's what?
Starlink password. Yeah.
Look, all of our neighbours here are now wanting to tap into our Starlink.
2020.
What? Starlink is collecting data on obstacles.
Speaking
this
of-
usually takes about 12 hours.
Is she around there? Yeah. How long?
I just saw it pop up.
Oh, did it?
Oh, look. So come here, Max, look at this. I'm like I'm getting all the data. It's just like,
Oh, that looks magic.
no, look.
Ew.
It's like I'm scan the entire sky. I gotta go, hang on, over there. View results. What is an obstacle in the sky at this very point? I'm gonna say none.
Cloud? No?
This may take a moment the first time you open the app. So I think there's something about this has to now sit here and it's just gonna scan the sky over the next 12 hours.
Is that because it's the first time I've used it, or because we're in a new location?
I don't know. Oh, hang on. This is a great place for your Starlink. Clear view. Try a new position.
Like trying to get internet on.
How about we like
I don't get it.
offline?
Look,
It's like alive.
where are you going? It's going, that must be south. Max,
So I've just been told that we are online.
we
We need to do the speed test. We're doing it right now. Go.
whoa!
I don't even know if you can see that on there.
We're at 110 megabytes per second.
Really?
Like 4G, for example, everyone. So 4G when you're on the road, 14.
Turn that like super
So
dark.
14 to 20 megapixels per second when you're on the road through 4G is like epic. So we're in the northern part of Australia where they're not guaranteeing the speed yet. And we have come in with a ping, a download of 84.42.
What's our upload?
Jesus, now you really.
Well, upload's what we need.
Oh, Max, I don't know.
It usually says it on the same thing.
Yes.
So there you go.
There you go. We're as far north as you'd really want to be in Australia, and they're working. right now, 2022, before they're promising it. Sure, it weighs 9 kilos.
And we can't guarantee it's going to work for you, but right now where we are, it's working and we're stoked. Good investment, I say.
I'm just gonna find a spot for it in the bloody van.